We've eaten a lot of weird stuff, but that was legit the worst one. That was fucked.
Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to look at the egg. The bad egg. The sentry egg. We are going to be eating the sentry egg. Also, I realise that right now I look absolutely fucked. This isn't actually straight after the sentry egg. I just went on a bike ride and I have really bad hay fever. So I look fucked. But this is a good example of how the egg made me feel. So let's get to the video. I hope you enjoy. Make sure you drop a like and a sub.
It's got a slight sliminess to it. Bro, I haven't even opened this yet, and it's got a slight sliminess to it. So, it's in like a weird packet, which seems to me to be a good sign. It doesn't smell good, man. It doesn't smell good. It smells kind of like cat piss, but also kind of like my cat's dinner, but also like the seaside, and kind of like a pond. Alright, boys, this is how it looks. This is a duck egg. It fucking does not smell good, bro. Alright, here we go. How am I supposed to do this? I've got to peel this thing. It's a nice colour. It's black. It's got a hole in it. Ruined? Oh no. Look at the inside of the shell, bro. It looks like black mold. Bite it in half so I can see what it looks like on the inside. All right, let's get doing this quick because this actually smells fucking revolting. I don't know why, but it's really starting to hit me now. It's not good. Eat it already. All right, here we go, boys. Oh, God, why am I doing this? Well, I'm gonna finish it. Don't worry. Here it is. Oh, bro. This is actually the worst thing we've done so far, I'm not gonna lie. This thing's fucking revolting. It tastes so bad. Well, there's half left, so... How many for another? I can't do another one. I actually can't. Like, I've got this left, and I can't do another one. I legit can't, bro. What's it look like inside? Meiji, you say go when you'd like me to eat it, but like, bro, this is legit revolting. It's so gross. The camera's not capturing it very well. Come on, capture my egg. I'll put the whole thing in my mouth. The rest of what's left. It's so bad, bro. I'm gonna take my headset off because I might have to go for a walk. Eat it, go, go, go. I'm loving this. This is lovely. Thank you for the bits. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Mmm. Yeah. I'm fine, I swear. Mmm. 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 Oh. It tastes salty. There's like a... There's a weird taste. But getting through it. Matey, thanks for the bits, bro. Boys, everyone, thank you for the bits. Script. Boys, thanks. That made it worse. We fucking did it! Yeah! We fucking did it! Oh god, that tastes so bad in my mouth, bro. Oh my god. Oh lord. Oh god. Oh my god. That was legit. That was legit the worst thing. The worst thing we have ever eaten on stream.
So there we have it, boys and boys. Thank you ever so much for watching the video. Make sure you drop by the stream, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Bye.